If you want to remove a payment method from your OneDrive account, follow these simple steps to ensure your billing information is updated. Step 1. Sign into OneDrive. Go to the OneDrive website and log in with your Microsoft account credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner, then select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate the Payment and Billing. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Payment and Billing section. Click on it to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Select Payment Methods. Under the payment options, you will see a list of your saved payment methods. Find the one you wish to remove. Step 5. Remove the payment method. Click on the option to remove or delete the selected payment method. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure it is successfully removed. After completing these steps, your payment method will be removed from your OneDrive account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Microsoft support.